This Comgrow Creality Ender style listing on represents the tried and true Ender family philosophy: open source, fully hackable, resume printing, and a build volume that's roughly 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. The Ender line has made its name by offering great baseline hardware that you can upgrade, mod, or tune to match your needs. The product page for this Ender Bridge listing emphasizes open source friendliness and a large user base. It's also typically competitively priced. Check the link for the active price because sometimes the page shows promotional prime pricing. If you're the kind of maker who loves upgrades and community profiles, an Ender-style machine is almost ideal. Out of the box you get a sturdy print bed, resume printing on power loss, and a community ecosystem of parts and firmware options. Many users on the listing praise its combination of value and modability. You can level it up with better extruders, upgraded bed surfaces, or silent stepper drivers. Counterpoints: some buyers mention that assembly and leveling are more hands-on compared to a fully pre-assembled, plug-and-play machine, but that's exactly the trade-off for the low price and hackability. Pros: extremely moddable, huge community support, resume print feature. Cons: stock setup may need upgrades for quieter operation or higher speed, and beginners will face a learning curve. Customer ratings typically show a broad distribution, many satisfied tinkerers and some lower scores from those expecting zero setup. And yes, we share buy links in the description box.